Smile, Effortwi, Sadachi, Croeso I Miss Anglophilia. Today I am taking you on a culinary trip to Wales. The 1st of March is round the corner, and the Welsh are preparing for their national holiday, St. David's Day. Usually they celebrate it with parades, Welsh music and dinners. They love to feature their national symbols, leeks and daffodils, representing their patron saint, and spring likewise. The daffodils in my cottage garden are still mostly hidden, but soon they will bloom in bright yellow. I've prepared 3 traditional Welsh dishes for the occasion: hearty Welsh Rarebit, warming Cawl and Bara Brith. Let's go! Awn ni! Welsh Rarebit is a traditional dish that has been known for over 300 years. I'm using a recipe by one of my favorite British celebrity chefs, Hugh Fearnley-Whittingstall, which I found on the BBC website. Start by making a roux using the molten butter and flour. Originally, Welsh Rarebit was a poor man's meal and, by the way, it's completely meatless. Add half a pint of strong beer to the roux. And now the star of the show, strong Welsh cheese. Add the rest of the ingredients. Butter some toasted slices of bread, spread the cheese mixture on top and pop them into the oven until golden brown. Next up is cawl. This Welsh word actually means broth or soup. It's one of the national dishes of Wales. It's basically hearty broth with potatoes, swedes, carrots, leeks and meat. You can make it with pork, beef and mutton, and there are many regional varieties. So here's mine. While the meat is boiling in the stock, let's do some vegetable magic. As it wasn't possible to get swedes here, I used kohlrabis. Being a national vegetable, leek mustn't be omitted. After about an hour, add the veg to the pot and gently boil until tender. Actually, it tastes better if you leave the cawl for a day for the juices to mix and mingle, and then reheat it. Serve the cawl with crusty bread and some Welsh cheese. Delicious! Bara Brith is a rich fruit loaf made with tea and thus the perfect tea time treat. Its Welsh name means speckled bread and it can be made with or without yeast. I'm making the yeast-free version. It's best stored in a cool place for a couple of days to allow the flavors to develop. If you want to, enjoy it with a little bit of butter. Fantastic. I hope you liked my trip to Wales. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to hear more about my favorite island. Hwyl fawr!